Hooty's bag of goodies, tales for everyone. So come on, all you children, let's go have some fun.
Hi, I am Hooty the Owl. I have 4 children. Naughty and Greedy are my 2 sons, and Goldilocks is my pretty little daughter. Pat is my baby rat, and he lives with us. He is a very good boy, and he listens to everything I say.
Today we learned a new sentence at school. It was, a bush in hand is better than 2 hands in a bird. No, it was 2 birds in hand in a bush.
It's a bird in hand is better than 2 in a bush. And it is not a sentence, sweetie. These are called proverbs.
Ooh, so what does this proverb mean? It does not make any sense.
Okay, I'll tell you a story. It will help you understand better. There once lived a lion in a forest. One day, the lion saw a small rabbit playing under a tree nearby. The lion started following him, waiting for a chance to pounce upon the poor little rabbit. When the rabbit saw the lion, he ran for his life. But the lion sprang upon him, and the poor little rabbit was soon in his powerful paws. Before the lion could gobble up the rabbit, a deer came into the lion's view. The greedy lion let the rabbit go and ran after the deer. The relieved rabbit ran happily into the forest. The deer ran really fast as the lion chased him and soon disappeared into the forest. The lion lost the rabbit and did not manage to hunt the deer either. He cursed himself for letting go of the rabbit to run after the deer.
That is not bush or bird or hen or whatever that is. This is just some stupid lion.
Well, that is the moral of the story. You should not want more than you already have and be happy with whatever that you do have. Being greedy makes you lose rather than gain.
A bird in hand is better than 2 in the bush. A bird in hand is better than 2 in the bush. A bird in hand is better than 2 in the bush. Now I know. I have learned it well. Yay!
Excellent, Goldilocks. That's like a good girl.
Hooty's bag of goodies.